So hello, my name is Christian. I just finished my course of aerial yoga in Vinyasa Yogashala here in Rishikesh. And I had a lot of fun. I learned a lot about new postures, new skills, and even how to do things that I used to do on the floor, just doing on the air. So I'm really grateful to be here. I really appreciate all my colleagues that we were doing this course, and even to my teacher. She was very patient, and she explained a lot and has a lot of smiles for us. Just even that we are we are not used to aerial yoga. So I want to say thank you to all the people who have my certification of aerial yoga, and thank you to everyone.